Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Rockstar Games "Sorry, we're unable to handle your request at this time" error 1.500.7 with some quick and effective steps. This error usually happens due to server issues or connection problems. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Then, restart your router to refresh the network. Next, close the Rockstar Games launcher completely and reopen it as administrator to avoid permission issues. After that, clear the launcher cache by going to Documents, Rockstar Games, Launcher, and deleting the cache folder. Now, if you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off because it can block server communication. Also, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, or add the launcher to exceptions. If the problem still continues, wait for some time because it can be a server-side issue. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the error should be resolved successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.